DaVinci for beginners, so easy.
Today we're gonna learn how to do a zoom blur transition like in the music videos. First thing that you're gonna do, make sure you have the two clips that you want transition on. After that, go in Effects panel, Toolbox and search for Adjustment Layer. Simply drag and drop above the footage. Make it a little bit shorter because we need only a few frames. Put the playhead in the middle and go in Effects panel again, but this time open FX. Search for Zoom Blur. Again, drag and drop onto the adjustment layer. Just make sure that the playhead is between two of the clips. After that, we're gonna go to Effects panel and put a keyframe 0.6. Then we are going 10 frames on the right side and putting one more keyframe 0. We repeat the process on the left side. 10 frames and the keyframe is 0. We are done. So let's review our transition now. It is subtle transition, but it's very used in the music videos. So please like this video and subscribe for more content like this.